you see your homeboy doing something crazy, like, yo, nah. Like, yeah, and I think something that you both are making me think about is like, this is an indictment of ideology and it is an indictment of actions, because and Dr. Brittney Cooper talks about this in her book, like, there are plenty of times in which I've tried to build community with other Black women, and I've recognized some of the experiences that Dr. Brittney Cooper named of their own internalization of misogynoir and like their inability to form relationships with me because they've said that, like, you're just so secure in yourself. You're just so, and I'm like, so that should inspire you to be secure in yourself. Like, that shouldn't make you feel like you gotta hate on me or like anything like that, because I want us to both win. Like, I don't see you winning as me losing, even though I know a lot of us do see that, right? And so I think accountability within our communities is not just between Black men and Black women. It is also between Black women and Black women. It is also between Black men and Black men, right? You see your homeboy doing something crazy, like, yo, nah. Like, that's not a thing we're doing, right? And I think it is hard, to George's point, to position yourself as the person that is complicit or perpetuating the violence. But we know that anything we don't name, we normalize. And so it's important that we are intervening.